Hello, my people. Today we'll be driving from Holyghost to Ziks Avenue, so you get to see what the road is like right now and some traffic areas to avoid when you take this road, especially in the afternoon and in the evening, right? So also we get to talk about real estate market in Enugu and how that can benefit you. You all know that there will be a new bus terminal here in Holyghost. That's it. That's the signage there. So it's going to attract so many businesses around here, and Enugu is probably going to be the spot if you want to invest in East. I'm talking about people who want to invest in Alibo. Okay, so if you're looking to buy lands or duplex or bungalow here in Enugu, I am your right plug. Okay, you can check out my Instagram or check out my Facebook to see more properties, and also my YouTube channel, right? So for now, I think Enugu State real estate market is doing about 30% every year. So I mean, if you invest in land, let's say you bought land of 1 million naira, so you're expected by the end of the year to sell it for minimum of 1.3 million. That's what I mean, right? So he's doing pretty well. I think he's doing okay. Coupled with we know that Lagos is doing far better and Abuja, but yeah, we should invest in Alibo, right? I'm also using this platform to urge anybody listening to me to invest in Igbo land, especially Enugu and Owerri, Anambra, and other parts. Abia is also a good place, Bakiliki and the rest, even Delta. Okay, it's a wake-up call for us. I'm not saying you should not invest in Lagos or Abuja. I know profits there are around 80 to 100%, which makes it ideal for investors to make more profits. But take a look at it now. You have to invest in your town, right? So as you are investing in Lagos, at least put some portion out to invest in Enugu and Owerri. That's all I'm saying, right? Because also Chowagi now, your side they got baga. So that's just it. You will agree with me that Enugu has a very nice view. Check out this view, right? Check out this view. So lots of infrastructure needs to be put in place. Like Enugu should be a tourist center for in the southeast. Because look at this view, man. Look at this view. Damn. Well, that's just it. So my brothers, you should invest in Igbo land. Okay, so watch the video and enjoy the ride.
Travel and tourism contributed 3.6% to Nigeria's GDP in 2022, which was equal to around 17.3 billion US dollars.
I'm saying that Enugu can also make these numbers run into 28 billions and above, because the natural resources are already there. It's just for government to invest in this sector. I know you really enjoyed this ride. Yeah, I know you did. So to help encourage me to do more videos like this, you can decide to gift me anything. Money, I accept. Yeah, but the one I like most is you can like this video and comment on this video, and also share this video so I can get as much reach as possible. That's what I value most. So thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.